I think most Americans hope Trump can work something out with China. But the fear is that he'll screw something up royally. Well, I want to take the second thought off the table. He can't screw it up any more than it already is. Not worried about a trade war or anything else. I tell you what, if we don't trade another penny with China, that would be okay. We'll be fine. They will be hurt if that were to happen. And let's review. So we had this big deal under the Clinton administration back in 2000. Wasn't a political thing. Republicans were fully on board. So we do this trade deal with China. Let me tell you what's happened for them since this took place. They've become the second largest economy in the world. Man, have we just poured the money into them. And they've been able to buy up much of our debt. They've also expanded their military more than anyone's ever done in history. They've even built islands in the ocean for military bases. I mean, it's incredible. I envision them attacking us someday, and we have no hope. And as their military machine is about to wipe us out, the only thing we'll be able to say, to quote Barack Obama or Elizabeth Warren, is, well, they didn't build that. I'm serious. And for us, here's what we got out of the deal. Had some companies that were able to move their facilities to China for cheap labor. And then there were some farmers that made some money selling soybeans. That's pretty much it. So if we lost all the deal with China, it would be fine with me. On the other hand, we do this deal, and here's how China came out so well with the deal. Number one, they violated most of the rules of the deal. So they cheat. Number two, they continue to manipulate their currency in a way that pretty well wipes out the hope of free or fair trade. And worst of all, they steal our intellectual assets. Now, some people don't fully understand that. Let me give you a good example where you'll know. Let's say I'm a musician. I'm getting ready to release a brand new album, but I need to increase sales. I know I'll go get a couple of Taylor Swift hits, record those, and put them on my album. Well, you're probably laughing, saying, Bill, you go to jail doing that because of copyright laws. Bingo, that is intellectual asset, along with patents and trademarks and other trade secrets. Listen, do you realize that when you total up the value of the Fortune 500 companies in America, 80% of that value is intellectual assets? So it's no small thing when they steal at will with no repercussions intellectual assets. And it really needs to stop. So the bottom line is, and I want you to feel at ease, be able to sleep at night. Don't fear Trump's going to screw this up because he can't.